Hey Kung Fu family, we're going to do a women's self-defense lesson for you right now on a wrist grab across. I'm going to turn over Chandra.
Lesson, you would be taking your hand on top of theirs.
And trapping.
And trapping it. And then you're going to go roll over, and then, I'm doing it the wrong way.
No, you got it, good.
And then you would lock that elbow, basically locking that elbow and wrist in. You can take them all the way to the ground and pull into it. So,
Trap.
Trap. So you're basically hanging on.
You're
You're
pushing
grabbing
down right here on the knuckles.
on the knuckles, and you're going around. So look at what's happening to his wrist. You're locking the wrist into your wrist, and then you're taking it down. You can step into it and drop them down, and then disengage. Do the same thing, but you would have basically a different block or a different angle. But this one is if someone grabs it cross, which is more, I think, more common.
Yeah.
So if someone grabs you, instead of pulling, which tightens his grip, you're going to basically step in. You're going to get that control, taking your own hand and locking into it and then pressing down. You're trying to get that elbow and wrist in a straight line. He has a little bend in it because he's trying to save that, but if you were really going to do it to somebody, you're going to lock them in, try to get this as straight as possible, and you're pushing it into the ground, putting down.
You really feel the pain in the wrist. I mean, you can go for the elbow too, but the wrist is where the lock is on this. So if you grab me real quick, so trap across, even if her arm's bent,
You're right,
the lock is in that wrist. So you can continue it here, but unless you go to here, you know what I mean, switch it up, then you'd be going for an elbow lock. So,
Gotcha.
So you could start with a wrist lock and then transition to an elbow lock. So you're in a struggle with somebody, you're locking this up, this isn't working as well, you could transition right to your elbow lock and get them right in an elbow lock right there.